Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class. In our previous class, we have already read the models part 2. Today, we will read the models part 3. I hope you all will enjoy this. Models express the mood or manner of the actions denoted in the principal verb. Models are never used alone. So models always need a best friend. He never come alone. For example, I can play upon the harmonium. Models have a principal verb with them. Here can is modal and play is main verb. Models do not change according to the number or person of the subject. I can play or we can play. So models does not change according to number or a person. I with the I also it is same model and we also it's the same model. Models don't have the infinitive form. What do you understand by infinitive form? Infinitive form is the 2 plus verbs first form. So models do not have the infinitive form. We must get there before time. Functions of models. Uses with examples. Today we will read about must, have to, ought to, need to, dare, used to. First is must. Must we have already studied. So today revise it again. To express necessity or obligation, you must take part in the competition. It's necessary. To indicate assumption or conclusion, she must be here in the evening. In the case of prohibition, you must not bunk school. Negative form of the must is must not. Next is have to, has to, had to. These all forms are only have to, has to, had to. To express obligation or compulsion, I have to reach school early. She has to work late. They had to follow the instructions. So has or have and had, this depends on the subject. Ought to. We use ought to express moral obligation or duty. You ought to respect your parents. You ought to serve the nation. It's a moral duty that you should do this. To give advice. You ought to study hard to achieve success. If you want to give advice to somebody, then also we can use ought to. And the negative form of the ought to is ought not to. Next is need. In negatives, it is used to show lack of usefulness or necessity. You need not have gone to meet him. In interrogative, it is used to ask about such usefulness or necessity. Need I speak to him? In affirmatives, it expresses usefulness or necessity. I need to go to him. Now, the next is dare. In negative, it is used to show lack of courage. I dare not disturb them. In interrogative, it is used to ask about such courage. How dare you them? Now the last is used to. A discontinued habit or a past situation. The used to is used to a discontinued habit or a situation past. He used to play daily. Something existing in the past. This used to be a dense jungle before, but now I think it is not. That's why we are using here used to. I hope you all have enjoyed the class and you have understood the models. Now we will meet again in the next class with a new topic. Till then, goodbye and thank you.